Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. I just wanted to shoot a quick video on my iPhone 12. I just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm going to show you the video on that. So all my previous videos have been with the iPhone 12 and this is Pedro, my bird. Hopefully you can see all the colors and contrast. I'm trying to show you the colors and the clarity. But now in the next section of this video, it's going to just swap to it for you. It'll be on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here's the difference. I just want to show you guys that. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Thanks. Okay, everybody. So hopefully you saw the first part of the video. That was with an iPhone 12, which was great. But this is now with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but the clarity is just pretty incredible. Look, I'm zooming in. Pretty cool. This is Pedro, by the way. She is not being paid. Pedro. Look at that. My first time ever taking a video with this camera. Look at that detail. Pretty incredible. That's as far zoomed in as you can. It says 9 times. Pretty amazing. Anyway, guys, I'm really impressed with this camera, with this phone. So we'll do the flowers too. Just pretty incredible. And of course you can take snapshots of it. Yep, looks awesome. So hit thumbs up, hit subscribe if you like these videos. I'm going to do a little bit more of a review of the different iPhones. Like I said, I was using the iPhone 12 to record a lot of my videos. And then literally right around the time I got 1,000 subscribers and monetized, the iPhone 14 Pro Max came. So good timing. So anyway, hope this helps you guys make that decision, what you're thinking about getting, buying. I would definitely spend the extra money to buy the better camera. I just feel like it's way better. I don't know what else to say. I'm pretty impressed. So thanks so much for watching. Hit subscribe. Stay tuned for the next great video. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, so this is with the iPhone 12. I showed, hopefully, I'm not sure if this is going to show first in the video or the second, but I'm trying to show the comparison of when you zoom in with the iPhone 12 as compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look at, that's as far as I can go. That's 3 times. So the Pro Max will go in, hopefully you saw it, it went straight to her little head and zoomed in like crazy. So I'm not saying the iPhone 12 is bad. I'm just saying you guys move up to a Pro and you're gonna get some really great videos. I mean, that still looks great to me. But then go back and look at the part where I videoed, or go forward and look at the part where I did it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and you'll be really impressed. So I'm impressed with the new video quality. And obviously as a YouTube creator, you want great video quality. I do not use a high-tech camera. I just use iPhones. No offense to Androids or anything. If you guys are using Android, go for it. I just have never really had them. I bit the apple hard, I guess you could say, and all my products are Apple. So anyway, this is how you get a parakeet on your finger. Say bye, Pedro. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned for more great videos, content. I'm going to show you a lot of great things. Thanks again. Have a good one.